Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the Real Outer Banks. My name is Shaw. I'll be your guide today. We're going to go for a little bicycle ride. Yeah, just another beautiful day. Just another beautiful day on the Outer Banks. I love it. Best time of the year. What up? Southern Shores. It's the kind of place you want to raise kids. But it's nice. Cruising. Gotta get that clickbait. All right. This is our pass. Get it. Gotta make it up the hill without standing up. Phew. Not as easy as it used to be. Yes, this is here on the beautiful Dogwood. That is East Dogwood. Oh, what a beautiful day. Ew. Now I'm gonna take you out to my special spot. It's the only access around here where you can ride your bike right up to the steps that go down to the beach. Called Southern Shores Treasure. All right, we just crossed Highway 12, still on East Dogwood. Again, this is a private, tells you right there, town parking permit necessary. Right, Fogwood. We're gonna take a not many people go to this one. There's no parking for this beach access. It's private. It's for the people who live in the vicinity. And here we are, Pompano, where we'll be spending a lot of time together, guys. It's my favorite access. Here we go. Go. There we are, folks. Our beautiful Atlantic Ocean. And the beautiful southern shores, North Carolina. Beautiful, isn't it? Got some cool little, what we call tide pools down here. When the, this is real neat. You can actually find fish in these sometimes. I've got a buddy that caught a fish. Citation in a tide pool. No luck. Oh wow. This is cute. It's a little stream of water. Still not too cold. You can do a polar bear plunge for sure. We're gonna jump over this thing. It's another beautiful day. You can see behind me is Kitty Hawk Pier in the distance. Look at that. That's so cool. Just comes up with the tide. You can see the current pushes it this way. It's almost like a little wave. In the water, some of it goes out to sea, some of it comes into here. And as you can see down at the end, let's go look. There might be something in here. Hello. Good. Wow, look at this. Something down here. A little boil. Those would be the sand fleas, I believe. Look at that. It's got a little lake. These shell beds are amazing. We're gonna do a lot of this too. It's where you find a lot of treasure. Also, a lot of trash. We're gonna pick up trash together. Do all kinds of fun collecting. Just another beautiful thing about living here on the Outer Banks. There's not too many places in the world as pretty as this place anymore. The beach cruiser, sir. Off the dunes. Just for erosion purposes. We're back. So cool. Glorious. Been 10-minute video. Now we're gonna cruise back. Alright, you gotta be careful doing this, guys. When there's sand on concrete, it gets real slippery. You gotta really know what you're doing. I wouldn't recommend it. Unless you're pretty extreme person like myself. Right, we're gonna take the same route back. Oh, just take a shake, a little ride down Dogwood. Left a lot of skin on that hill. Right, what a beautiful day. God bless. Once again. Thank you. Cruising right along. Guys, we're coming up on the Highway 12 North, East Dogwood intersection. We've got the one of two fire departments, fire stations. Station 28, I guess. I don't know, guys. Tell me. All right. Don't get it. That's Nancy. Yes, 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 yes. Beautiful day. And then how are you, ma'am? Doing well. Such a nice chicken. Little crosswalk. As a biker and a pedestrian, even though I think you've got the right of way on the walking thing, you ain't got it on the biking thing. You gotta stop on a bike. All right, this is what I was talking about earlier. The Holiday Bazaar and Art Fest. We'll have to check that out, guys. All right, we're about to head down Dogwood. This is a infamous teenage boy who skates down hills. I'll tell you, Dogwood is fire. You always want to look behind you. Make sure no one's coming. All right, here we go, gang. Whew. Nice. Perfect. Hey guys, I'll be back at the house. That's all this time, gang. Thanks for coming on this awesome little short adventure with me today. But appreciate you guys. Nothing but love. It's your boy Shaw signing out. The Real Outer Banks. Peace.